Last Wednesday, Google launched the new Pixel 5 alongside the Pixel 4a 5G, with both being the first Pixel phones with 5G wireless capabilities. I'm sure some of you are already considering an upgrade either from the Pixel 3 to a 4 or from the 4 to a 5. No matter which of the Pixels you want to use next, this video will help make your decision easier as I compare this year's Pixel 5 to the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, which were released last year. I'll be comparing specs, design, price, and other features I believe will help you make the right decision. So without much ado, let's dive in. In terms of specs, the Pixel 5 got an upgrade in some areas and a downgrade in other aspects of the phone. The Pixel 5 comes with a 6-inch OLED screen with a 2340 by 1080 resolution, whilst the Pixel 4 sports a smaller 5.7-inch POLED with a 2280 by 1080 resolution. The Pixel 4 XL, on the other hand, features a larger 6.3-inch POLED display with a resolution of 3040 by 1440. It might interest you to know that the Pixel 4 XL has a Quad HD Plus panel, whereas the Pixel 4 and 5 have full HD Plus displays respectively. All three phones, however, have a 90Hz refresh rate. When it comes to processor power and performance, the Pixel 5 is powered by the Snapdragon 765G, which is a downgrade in my opinion, compared to the Pixel 4 and 4 XL with both sporting the Snapdragon 855. The difference between these two processors is minimal as both can handle various simple tasks. The Pixel 5 got an upgrade in the memory department with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage capacity. The Pixel 4 and 4 XL came short with both offering 6GB of RAM and 64GB storage, with the option to upgrade to 128GB storage capacity if you want to pay more. So last year's Pixel 4 came with just 2800 mAh battery, which is not enough juice for a smartphone in this era. The 4 XL got a much bigger 3700 mAh battery, but still not a match to the 4080 mAh battery the Pixel 5 has. So yes, we can say the Pixel 5 got an upgrade in the battery department. As we all know, Pixel phones have never had a problem when it comes to camera quality because that's the phone's main selling point. All previous Pixel phones over the years have the best camera, which is powered by Google's awesome camera software. The story is not different with this year's Pixel 5, which comes with a 12.2 megapixel rear camera, same as the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, with a f1.7 aperture to give you that sweet background blur in portrait mode. For selfies, the Pixel 5, 4 and 4 XL all got 8 megapixel camera with a f2.8 aperture. The Pixel 4 and 4 XL had an extra 16 megapixel telephoto lens, which has now been replaced with a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens in the Pixel 5. You can still get your zoom shot on the Pixel 5 with Google's super resolution zoom software. Other features of the Pixel 5 include Google Pixel's imprint fingerprint sensor for unlocking the phone, which denied the Pixel 5 motion sense feature. The Pixel 4 and 4 XL have 3D face unlock for unlocking the phone and also motion sense feature that allows you to snooze alarms or silence calls without touching your phone. The Pixel 5 supports 5G, whereas you only get 4G LTE on the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. We all know Google is not big on design when it comes to their Pixel phones, but then I think they try to give us something good. At first glance, the Pixel 5 and 4 look very similar, but a closer look reveals some differences, such as the punch hole display on the Pixel 5, which the Pixel 4 lacks. The Pixel 5 also has an aluminium back, and the Pixel 4 sports a glass back. Both are great if you ask me, but you should know that aluminium is more durable. In terms of colors, the Pixel 5 comes in just black, which is my favorite, and salter sage. The salter sage color is greenish, though I doubt people will like it. Just black and clearly white are the main colors the Pixel 4s come in, plus a limited edition color called Oh So Orange. The Pixel 5 was launched with a $699 price tag, which I believe is the right price considering the specs it comes with. The Pixel 4s are however expensive, with the 4 selling for $799 and the XL version going for $899. One good thing to note is that you might get the Pixel 4 or 4 XL for less, due to the fact that they have been on the market for about a year now. So, should you upgrade? I believe the answer to the question could be a yes or no. Yes, you can upgrade if you want a phone that supports 5G, has longer battery life with a modern design, together with some new extra features. You don't need to upgrade to Pixel 5 if you already own a Pixel 4 or 4 XL. You can upgrade to Pixel 4 or 4 XL if you own a Pixel 3 or 2. However, if having some new features, more RAM and reverse wireless charging mean a lot to you, then you can upgrade to the new Pixel 5. You can also upgrade to the Pixel 5 if you want to enjoy new Android updates from Android 12 to 14, because Google will end update for the Pixel 4 with Android 13. The displays and processor power of the Pixel 5 and 4 should not really influence your decision, because trust me, unless you are superhuman, you won't see much difference between an OLED display and a POLED display. And as for the processors, the Snapdragon 765G in the Pixel 5 can perform all the activities you undertake with your phone, same as the Snapdragon 855 in the Pixel 4s. But then if you plan on playing very high demanding 3D games on your phone, then you will need the Pixel 4. So guys, that brings us to the end of my Pixel 5 and 4 comparison. Do you plan on upgrading, or do you even think an upgrade is necessary? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't, and as always, catch you in the next video. Bye.